Hello everyone, it's Pepperu again and welcome back to another video on my channel. So yeah, let's roll on the intro first. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your microphone sound a lot better in OBS while recording. So right now guys, this is a raw video recording. I didn't do any settings on the audio using this OBS program. I just plugged the microphone on my desktop and start recording. So as you can hear guys, there's a background noise and the audio is not that crisp. It's not that good audio, right? So I'm gonna pause this video for a while and I will do some settings and I'm gonna show you guys what are the settings that I messed up, okay? So be right back.
A few inches later.
Now I'm back. So this is the audio right now. It's much better than the previous. There's no more background noise, so hear this guys. Yes, there's no more background noise, okay? The audio is more crisp. I mean, overall the audio is much better than the previous. So I'm gonna show you guys the settings that I messed up. So let's go to these settings on your right side below. There's settings there. Click that, and then under output and then audio, I changed the track one from 160 audio bitrate to 320. And then under audio, make sure guys the channels are stereo. I think that's the default. Just to make sure, you're gonna double check it, okay? So after that, click OK. And next, under mic/AUX auxiliary, I think you're gonna click this wrench and then go to advanced audio properties. So under advanced audio properties, mic/aux AUX, by default this is unchecked, okay? So I click this down mix to mono, okay? So click that and then close. And now let's add some filters, okay? So I already add the 3 filters, so I'm gonna show you. Click again this wrench, click filters. So I already add noise gate, noise suppression, and compressor. How do I add these filters? You can right click over here and click add, and there you go. Or there's another way, click this plus sign and yeah, it's here. So now let's see the settings. Under noise gate, I use the default settings. I didn't mess up here, okay? So just use the default settings. Under noise suppression, the default is, I think it's a negative 30. So I go all the way down to negative 60. Negative 60. Not negative. Negative 60, okay?
What?
And then, yeah, under compressor, here is my settings. Ratio is 2.10. Threshold, negative 11.10. Attack MS, 20. Release MS, 1. And output gain is 0. So you can edit this for your liking, okay? But this is my settings that I done, okay? So close, and yeah, that's how I edit my audio using OBS program, okay? So thank you again guys, and if you like this video, of course click the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, please. And yeah, thanks again, and see you on my next video soon. God bless and bye for now. Peace.